What's going on, guys? I'm David Stiley, and this is how to perform lying dumbbell bench press.
First, with the weight resting on your quads, carefully begin to lean back until you are in position on the bench. In a controlled manner, gently move the dumbbells out to the side of your body. Your arms should be placed at approximately a 45-degree angle in relation to your torso. Do not allow your arms to flare outward too far to a 90-degree angle. Next, you must properly position your shoulder blades underneath the weight you're about to lift. Rotate your shoulder blades back and underneath your chest. Another way to think of it is to try to put your shoulder blades into your back pockets. While doing this, push your chest up towards the ceiling and create an arch with your lower back. Note that the forearm and elbow are directly underneath the weight. Now, you must establish tightness throughout the rest of your body. Press your heels down into the floor. Squeeze your glutes together. Breathe in and brace your core as if you were preparing to be punched in the stomach. Then push the weight up. Breathe in at the top and repeat the process as follows.